Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax in Singapore. Filing your income tax can seem daunting, but with the right information, it's a straightforward process. We'll cover who needs to file, the various methods you can use, and the key documents you'll need to have ready. This guide aims to simplify the entire procedure, ensuring you feel confident and prepared. Let's get started on making your tax filing experience as easy as possible. Singapore offers convenient e-filing through the My Tax portal, which is highly recommended for its ease and efficiency. Before you begin, gather all your essential documents, including your Form IR8A from your employer and any other income statements. It's crucial to declare all your income sources accurately, whether from employment, self-employment, or investments, to ensure full compliance with tax regulations. This step is vital for a correct submission. Maximizing your tax savings often involves claiming eligible tax reliefs. Singapore offers several reliefs, such as those for approved donations, parent care, and even life insurance premiums. It's important to understand the specific criteria for each relief to ensure you qualify. For instance, the parent relief has conditions regarding the dependent's age and income. Taking the time to review these can significantly reduce your overall taxable income. Don't miss the crucial e-filing deadline, which is typically April 18th each year. Submitting on time avoids penalties. Before you hit that final submit button, take a moment to thoroughly review all your entries for accuracy. Double-checking ensures everything is correct and complete. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. A little preparation goes a long way in making your tax filing stress-free and successful.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.